crude acted bullish yesterday and still it failed to pass by 94 levels. If you recall, I had told you can stay long till the time it trades above 91 and you can expect it to drop or rise till towards 92, 93.5 and 94 levels, and this zone at 94 to 96 is an extreme resistance zone for US crude to pass by. Let's see if it does today. However, it is trying to trade with a little drop today. Likewise on the NG, I have told you $10 levels it may achieve, and from $10 levels you have to be very cautious as it may see a drop. And look what it did. It saw an extreme drop from the close to $10 levels and again coming back to 9.25. I hope you all profited. Now what is going to happen today? Which position you should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is just like missing on to your profits. Do not miss to subscribe. Do not forget to like, share and comment also. Yes, and those who are new, let me share that I share my daily update on US crude and NG before the Asia session daily. So do watch the daily updates. First we look into US crude and followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. This is the hourly charts for US crude. You can see it is trying to rise again. And once you see it trading beyond this zone at 94, go long again beyond 94. We can see it getting resistance at 94.5, 94.8, and then it may try to fly for 95.5 and 96. At the same time, 93 is a very strong support now. Below 93, yes, it may call for a little drop. Then the next destination is directly towards 92. Directional movement on the hourly charts is bullish. Stochastic again looking upwards. MACD has seen a bearish cross there and it is trying to trade with divergence. RSI is also near to overbought levels. Let's see a further detail in the other time frames. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, again lower highs, lower lows, and a confirmation. If it sustains beyond 94, yes, you can confirm that is a bullish entry and it may rise again, and below 93 definitely it will call for further bears out there. MACD directional movement bullish. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge and cross over for a sell entry. RSI near to the top indicating little overbought positions there. And look at the 3-hour charts. Now if you consider 3-hour charts, see it is seen lower highs there almost, and 94 levels definitely a very strong resistance. With achieving the 94, it is trying to trade with a drop. Only once it passes by 94 levels you can confirm that it is going to act extremely bullish out there and it may try to rise. Else once it draws below here at this zone, that is 93.2, or rather I will say 93, definitely it will call for more bears out there. So do not trade between 93 and 94. Safe entry levels there. Directional movement bullish, it must converge. Stochastic overbought and hence we may see a little drop. MACD is divergent and it is willing to converge. See the height is reducing, indicating probably we may see a crossover again on the sell side. RSI near to top. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at it, is trying to consolidate. It is seen a high here, and look at the bottom out there. 92 levels now are going to act as the extreme support out there. Only if it breaks below 92 you can confirm that it is trying to enter bearish, and below 91 only it will call for more bears out there. Directional movement extremely bullish. On the 4-hour charts you can see it is giving you lower highs here and higher lows, waiting for a breakout, a good breakout below 93 or a good breakout beyond 94. In fact, you can take a short entry here at 93.2 and a long entry here at 94 levels. Definitely only I will suggest. So we are just reducing the levels a little bit. So 93.2 you can go short and 94 levels you can go long. And below 93.2 still it will get a support at 92.6, and then below that we may see it getting the support at 92. 92 is going to be the level for the day you should look out for. Below 92, if it breaks, it will directly land for 91. This is a very strong support. Below 91 I will convert myself to a bearish, and then it will try to drop extremely. We can see it again going or taking sub 88 levels. If it drops below 91, then only. On the upside, be watchful of 94, and beyond 94, the next target is 94.5. You can go long at 94. Expect 94.5 as the first target. 94.8 and 95.5, 96 levels should be the next target. Remember, I have told several times, I am telling you again, 94 to 96 is an extreme resistance zone. If it breaks past 96, definitely it will call for more bulls out there. Trade accordingly. Directional movement is bullish so far. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is bullish and it is trying to converge. RSI is near to top, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you can find, see, it is seeing the lows out there. It is now trying to give you higher lows, and with that as higher lows, it is trying to act bullish. It is divergent. The next candle I will watch for, and yes, the high is at around 95 levels. You should be very cautious. I am once again repeating, 95 to 96 zone, you have to be cautious of this zone. It can achieve these levels and drop again. The next candle on this chart is yet to begin. Yes, if you see it dropping below 93.2, you can go short here and then expect 92, 91 and then 90 levels. Below 90, it will call for further more bears out there. Then 88 and below levels can be seen. Now if you look closely on the daily charts, see, if you look closely on the daily charts, it is trying to trade in this channel. It is still a bearish. Until the time it trades below 95, one can confirm that it is going to remain bearish. Directional movement is bearish, willing to converge. Stochastic is entering into overbought levels. MACD is wide divergent and bullish. RSI is looking upwards. So considering this, you can go long at 94. Then beyond 94, one can expect again it may hit 94.5 the first target, 94.8, 95 the second target, and then 95.5 and 96 levels. Till 96, we can expect it to reverse and retrace again on the downside. You have to be very cautious for the day for 95 and 96 zone if it continues to trade above 94. Hence, you have to trade with the stop loss at 94 itself, because you are taking the long entry at 94 as I am recommending. On the downside, go short at 93.2, below 93.2, 92.6, 92.5 levels, 92.8 levels. See, 92.5 rather you can take. It can be a good target, because 92.8, 92.6 it can get, there are minor support zones, and rather you can keep at 92.5. That should get achieved, and in fact below that 92 level should definitely get achieved. Once it drops below 92, the next target is directly towards 91.2 and 90 levels, 90.5 levels. So looking at this, do not trade between 93.2 and 94. Below 93.2 you can expect a further drop. Then we can expect that it is going to drop till towards 92 and 91, and in fact $90 levels. Till 90 it will be a good support. Below 90 it will call for more bears, and you can remain extremely bearish out there. So till $90 levels you have to trade with the stop loss at cost, such that you can preserve your capital, or put a trailing stop loss such that in case of a reversal you can preserve your profits. On the upside, be watchful of 96. Above 94, take a long entry and keep trailing till 96. Beyond 96 it will fly for 98 or $100 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at NG. NG achieving close to $10 levels, achieving the highs. It has seen a drop. I had told you $10 levels is definitely going to be the level you should watch out for. It may achieve those levels. It went very close to those levels and dropped sharply from there. It has eliminated or erased all the gains. In fact, till $9 levels it has seen, and now trying to trade with a little rise. And again see, it has come back to the next same support at 9.25. It has started the rise from here. It has come back to these levels again. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD is extremely bearish. It must converge and it must cross over. Then right now probably we can see a few green candles on the hourly chart. It appears RSI trading oversold. Likewise, if you see the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, it has breached the previous support at 9.1 in fact, and $9 levels it has seen the next support. Now trying to again trade the levels from which it started to rally, and it has erased all the gains. In fact, went further below. So see, now these levels at 9.25 is yes a good resistance and a good trade to take an entry. Beyond 9.25, rather I will recommend you to take an entry at around 9.3, so that you can take a target of 9.35, 9.4, and then 9.5, 9.6 levels should be seen. Directional movement bearish, stochastic near to oversold levels. MACD is extremely bearish, must converge. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you can find $10 levels is the wall which it failed to break. And also look at this, it is trying to give you higher highs and higher lows. This time it failed to achieve the highs out there and traded with the drop. Be cautious. Only below $9 one can expect that it will call for more bearishness or more bears out there. Direction movement bearish, stochastic near to bottom. MACD is bearish here it is extremely divergent, it is extremely bearish. RSI trading flat, and on the 4-hour charts, if you look at likewise the same appearance and same levels you can see on the 4-hour charts. Directional movement is slightly bearish, stochastic at bottom. MACD is extremely divergent, but it has still the potential for it to remain divergent and remain bearish. RSI trading flat, and on the daily charts, see the next candle here is yet to begin, and if you look at the candles out there, higher lows, higher highs, still trying to trade in this. The previous candle failed to breach past $10 levels, indicated that it is getting a strong resistance there, and it failed to get passed by. Just be watchful of 9.3. Beyond that, yes, you can expect 9.4, 9.5, 9.6. Now 9.6 is the level for the day. If it trades beyond 9.6, you can again expect that we may see it breaking $10 levels today. So take your positions accordingly. Go long at 9.3. At the same time, if you see it trading below 9.2, you can go short again. Expect 9.1 and then $9. Below 9.1, it will be a little bit bearish, and below 9 will call for further bearishness there in NG, and then we can see a very strong drop below $9 levels. Below 9, the next target for me is around 8.6, 8.5 zone. That should be the next target if it continues to trade below $9 level. So go short at 9.2. Expect it to drop till 9. You have to trade with the stop loss at cost, and beyond that you can just trail and keep shifting your stop loss at the every milestone, or keep trailing the stop loss till below 9.0 levels. Till 9.0 you have to be very cautious out there. It can reverse. On the upside, above 9.3 go long, and beyond 9.3 you can expect it to rise. Be cautious and alert till 9.6. Beyond 9.6 it will call for strong bulls out there, and it may fly. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly. If you want to learn the art of reading the charts, you can join my mentorship batch. Definitely the strategies taught will help you become profitable and proficient trader. At the same time, you can join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group, or else become a patron and support the channel. In fact, in patrons now we will be starting a signals group to take the membership accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Links and details are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.